What's up, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to go and talk to the people who are actually more interested to develop game. Of course playing game is fun, but there are some people who are like, I want to make a game, how I can go and make some game. So I'm going to go and show you 3 best platform which I think is good in order to make some games online. So if I want to make a game, I'm going to go and do something which is going to be from this platform. So for example, there are people who search for game development but they don't know like what is a good platform, what is not a good platform. So I would recommend start with making games on Unity. In order to make games online, you need to go and have some skill of programming, and programming C# is going to be the advantage in order to start making games online. So there are too many things which you can do it. For example, you are playing too many games, of course, so that's the reason that comes in your mind, that how I can go and make my own game. There are some tools which has make some game development much more easier, and you can go and publish it as well. So first one was Unity, another which one I'm saying is Unreal. Now two of the top platform where you can go and make the games. Now what is Unreal and Unity is actually a game engine. You need some engine in order to make your game run, and these two game engine are best one. For example, as you can see, Fortnite, it's a best engine I can say, and it actually makes your life much more easier, and you don't need to worry about how the game is going to perform. It has a best engine out there. So there are people who say, I don't know a single line of code, I don't know how to make some games. Can I still make games? The answer is yes. Now that answer is given by buildbox. No coding and you can make games. So you need to know click and drag and so on and so forth. No coding, mobile game development for free. So you can achieve that from buildbox. So you need to go and learn some tutorials. Just go and Google billions of videos out there which will go and teach you how to make a single game. So just go and start making some game. You need to go and learn from it, and just go and copy that one. Just try to apply it on your code and you will have some games made by you. You made that game, so that is going to feel fantastic to you, and that will actually motivate you to go and make some more games out there. So just I just recommend 3 of the platform right now. If you're more interested and if you start learning more and more, you will get more knowledge on that. So this was my recommendation. Now people will ask, do I need to go and pay some money? You can see it for free. Now Unity, get started. They will ask for the money, but you're an individual and you're a student, you will get a lot of this thing for free. Just go and take the opportunity, sign up, download the game engine. For Unreal, is it paid? Get started. You will get publisher account or creator account. You will take creator account, you will get free 100% royalty free, and just go and start select. You will get to download this link. Just go and sign up on it, and you can go and start learning on it. Just go and start learning and make your own game from today. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.